I have a few leftover shishito peppers, guys. I don't know if you ever tried shishito peppers. Here's a little rock walk. And I got a couple of pieces of butcher blocks big slab bacon. Chop it up, render it up, and when that grease, then you fry these guys up. Add a dash of soy sauce, and we're in business. And with that good music, can't go wrong. Stevie Ray Vaughan. Alright, guys. I'm gonna try to squeeze this one into one video. Not like the bean one. Got the fire going on over here. Let me transfer you. I'm gonna transfer you live. Okay, because there's no commercials here. Well, not this time. I don't know if you can see the fire. Oh my God, it's hot in here. I'm gonna put that in there. Let's put this log over here, because to fry up those shishito peppers, you need some serious heat. You can even put the pan down there. No problem. But there's a lot of heat there, so we'll leave it right there. I will bring you guys back with the progress.
Very knowledgeable, great experience overall.
Can you see the little Texas windmill blowing away?
My experience with customer service was great. Everyone is super
According to
friendly.
that,
No one pressured me into anything.
we're getting southwest winds. Bacon is rendering down. I'm doing this left-handed, guys, so hope I don't spill any. Just cook that a little bit more, just a little bit more, because the shishito peppers gotta fry up in there. We love shishito peppers. We eat them like potato chips down here. And like 1 out of 10 is spicy. Yeah. Rock and roll. Here goes the shishito peppers, guys. Oh, and I actually got some baked potatoes going on also. Throw that in there. Yeah. Bring you guys back. Hey guys, I decided to throw some onions in there since I had some left over from the beans. Can't hurt, right? Shishito peppers are coming along great, guys. Look at that. Can you smell that? No, but you can hear it and look at it. Yeah. Gotta be careful not to lose them. Yeah, they're coming along great. Alright, guys. I stuck the peppers down there because it's hotter down there. But they're just about done here. See that? How they're browning up? So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna toss a little bit of soy sauce. And the bacon has a lot of salt, and the soy sauce does as well, so I'm gonna stick them down there for a few more minutes and eat. Finished product. The smell is fantastic, guys. It's amazing with those caramelized onions. I can't even talk. Yeah. Hope I don't burn myself, but try this for you guys again. Ooh, they're hot. Oh, throw them in, stems and all, okay? Something to grab onto. Somebody to grab onto. Something to grab onto. Let's see how it goes, guys. Fantastic. That one was a little bit hot. Thanks for watching, guys.